Okay, I am going to show you how to set up GL accounts. I don't know who needs to hear it, but I probably wouldn't just keep setting up accounts arbitrarily. A lot of people get in here, and if you don't have a good idea of the flow of a financial statement, you can screw this up. So, from settings, chart of accounts, you can see that things are broken out in assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expense. Okay, that is the flow of our chart of accounts. It does follow the normal standard accounting GAAP practices. So if we were to just look at the assets, you can see here that if they do not know how to do this, they can screw something up. Okay, because you do have to use reference numbers, just so we're clear. Your financials are sorted by reference number. Okay, so you want to make sure that you have them set up under the correct type and code, subledger if applicable, and make sure that you have a reference number. Okay, and these are required and are the preliminary steps if you are adding sales codes, which is a separate video. To add GL accounts, do not arbitrarily add if you are not well versed, because this is how I see people screw up a financial statement. Okay, Studio is very customizable. So, that being said, it should be customized by somebody that has an understanding of financial statements and accounting. Okay, if there are questions, please leave them in the comments. Thank you.